Hey, here's a part 2. So that was on a previous video, the mural inside the house, an Airbnb, welcome to West Palm Beach, and arch with the plants. So, and the next part gonna be outside in a backyard. So here's gonna be the kinda continue of the same idea. Similar font, welcome to West Palm Beach, pop-up colors, the teal color, something between green and blue, like Tiffany, whatever. And the same plants gonna be here, but they're colorful to connect with the outsiding and the plants, real plants behind it. So I did a quick sketch for the client and let me show you what we're going to do. Here's the design, right? I did a pretty simple stuff. The plants like inside the house, but the colorful from the right and left part, correct? And on the center, West Palm Beach with welcome to sign. I also did the light green on the back to feel whole that space and make that visual effect like a whole wall is painted on a mural. So we not just have a kind of, what to say, like a stickers, right? Small stuff over here, fonts on the center, and small stuff over there just to fill the space. No, it's gonna look like a whole wall is painted from there to here. And yeah, let's start to the first part, covering everything. Start painting. finished. Mural is done for about 2 whole days. Hope you enjoy the video. If you guys like what I'm doing, please thumbs up. Also, if you want me to focus more on some parts of my work or some techniques, let me know in the comments below. So I'll make a video about that, or just go deeper into my regular videos, and see you later. Thank you for watching.